Getting answers for Western Massachusetts. This is Western Mass News.
Jenna, thanks. A viewer reached out to our newsroom today, sharing concerns after learning the Springfield nursing home where their family members live is shutting down.
Western Mass News reporter Olivia Hickey joins us live in studio after getting answers on the situation. Olivia.
Chris and Mary, Gary Rosemond says his family was given less than 60 days notice that the Chapin Center in Springfield, a nursing home where he has family, is closing its doors. But it's not only the only nursing home in our area shutting down.
We have to respect our seniors. You know, they put in their time. And now it's time for us to honor and respect them, and this is real disrespectful.
Springfield resident Gary Rosemond sharing his frustration with Western Mass News after learning the Chapin Center on Kendall Street in Springfield, where both his mom and aunt live, is shutting down.
We had no notice of anything. Everybody got a phone call and said we have 60 days to find somewhere for them to go.
Western Mass News getting answers from the State Department of Public Health. We're told DPH was notified that 4 Western Mass nursing homes operated by the Northeast Health Group intend to close. They include Chapin Center, Governor's Center in Westfield, and Willimantic Centers East and West in Chicopee. The proposed closing date, June 23rd. So far, Rosman's family has had no luck finding the resources needed to provide their loved ones with long-term care.
They gave us a list of other nursing homes to work off of, but I've called most of these already. There's no space available, and some of these are even rest homes which don't accept long-term care.
Now he's worried their family will be separated.
They could ship our loved ones anywhere in the state, as far as Boston, Lawrence, even Cape Cod. And it's unfair and it's unjust to our seniors and our families. The lack of time that me and my brother would be able to spend with our loved ones would take a toll on them more than it would on us, because they're used to seeing us and having us around.
And while families are scrambling, Katie Murphy, president of the Massachusetts Nurses Association, says it's impacting employees too.
I think it'll only contribute to people not being able to get an inpatient bed. I know for a fact that oftentimes we have patients waiting for several days, maybe even over a week, to get into a nursing facility. So that means somebody who acutely needs an inpatient bed is sitting in an emergency department.
She adds the closure of nursing homes can back up area hospitals as well.
I think it'll only contribute to people not being able to get an inpatient bed. I know for a fact that oftentimes we have patients waiting for several days, maybe even over a week, to get into a nursing facility. So that means somebody who acutely needs an inpatient bed is sitting in an emergency department.
The Department of Public Health also tells us the closure notices and draft closure plans for the 4 facilities that are closing will be posted on the department's website soon. Reporting live in studio, Olivia Hickey, Western Mass News.